We will be navigating the Parents App interface. After setting up your account and linking a child to your profile, you will be brought to this page. The dashboard. On the dashboard, you have the Overview tab. This shows you basic information on a child, like gender, class, date of birth. You can also see their weekly attendance on this tab. The Quick Financials board displays an owing balance, which is a sum of invoices that are yet to be honored by you, and an overpaid balance, which is money the child's school owes you. Clicking on the Notice button next to it brings out a disclaimer for you to read. There is also a section that displays received invoices for quick and easy access. All invoices received will appear here, and you can click on the See All button to view all invoices. At the top left, where the image of the child is, you can click on the 3 horizontal dots to view all linked children and switch between profiles. There is also a Link Child button below if you want to link more children to your profile. Switching to the Academic Results tab. This is where results generated by the school and results uploaded by parents are housed. To view a generated result, select the result type from the drop-down menu. You can now view all results generated for that child by their school. To view a result, just click on it and it comes up. To view uploaded results, switch the result type to Uploaded. If you have uploaded results, you will see them here. To upload a result, click on the green Upload Result button on the right side of this tab. A dialog box pops up for you to fill in the details of the document and upload it. The result goes to the admin of the issuing school for verification once it is uploaded. The Invoice tab gives you a breakdown of your financial engagements with a child's school. On the overview, you see the total amount paid to the school, the sum amount of active invoices, sum amount of rejected invoices, and sum amount of processing invoices. All these categories have the number of invoices for each of them below the amount. The All tab lists all the different categories of invoices sent by the school with their descriptions. The Completed tab lists all invoices that have been honored by the parent and processed and verified by the school. The Active tab lists all invoices that are yet to be honored or completed by the parent. The Rejected tab lists all invoices that have been rejected by the parent. The Processing tab lists all invoices that have been paid by the parent but are yet to be verified by the school. You can use the Filter feature to filter between schools if you have children in different schools. The School Account button displays the school's bank account details to make payment easy and seamless. The next tab is the Inbox tab. This is where parents can send and receive messages from school admins. Parents can also communicate with admins from schools they wish to enroll their children in. Simply click on the Compose Message button to compose a message. Fill out the fields in the box that comes up and send your message, or you can save it as a draft. Messages that you send out will be in the Sent section, and if you have drafts, switch to the Drafts section to view them. Next is the Discover tab. Parents looking for schools to enroll their children in can visit this tab to explore different schools. You can like and follow schools' public profiles, and schools that you like will appear under the Liked Schools tab. You can search for schools by applying different filters to narrow your search. Filters like public or private school, day, boarding or mixed school, and gender. You can also apply more filter options like school size, state, address, and price range. After applying these filters, click on Filter Schools to bring out your search. Moving on to the next tab, Settings. Here, you can make changes to the details of your profile. You can remove a child's data from Greynote by clicking on Remove Child. You also see a list of all your wards linked to your account and link requests that you send out with their status. When you scroll down, you will see a list of Grey cases created for your child. Below that is your membership details, which include your plan and payment details. The notification feature notifies you when important actions have taken place. The profile icon next to the notification bell allows you easy access to settings and inbox. You can also log out of your account from there. There you have it. We have navigated the Parents app interface and explored all the features and functionalities. We hope this video helps smoothen your experience with the application. Greynote, revolutionizing the learning journey.